Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to edit a food photograph. So before we begin editing this photo, let's go to the lens correction tab. I'm there already. And tick all three boxes: chromatic aberration, diffraction correction, and hide distorted areas. I'm going to give little bit of lens fall off. This should do, and take purple fringing fringe to all the way to the 100. I think this is pretty much okay with this tab. Maybe we can go to crop and select 4:5. I will just correct this. Okay, select 4:5 and there it is. So if we go by 4:5 crop, which is ideal size for Instagram, this will be the crop. So this is depending on the situation. There isn't really a right or wrong way to do, but sometimes I crop before I begin my edit, sometimes I crop after. So in this occasion I'm going to crop before even I begin with any edit, because then I know exactly where I want to draw my viewer's eye in the picture, because I know that this particular picture I'm making it for Instagram. So let's lift up shadow a little bit just to increase overall brightness, pull down highlights a tiny bit, pull up the whites, pull down the blacks so we make image contrasty. Now I'm going to go to the color picker tab and go down to the color editor. I'm gonna work on the colors individually. So let's select the greens first, and I'm going to brighten it up all the way and give a little bit of saturation. And there's one good thing I like about Capture One is you can also see here that what is the color you have selected. Let's zoom in a bit and what you are getting. So if I click on this part, you can see this part of the leaf have been selected. So what we have done, since we made these adjustments, take a look at this very closely. This specular highlight kind of thing we have enhanced a bit. There it is. Maybe this was a little bit too much, just like that. Now if I want to expand the selection, I can expand like that. Then again, if I select this tab here, it says view selected color range. So if you select this tab, then in that case only the selected part of the image will be in color and the rest it will turn into black and white. So that way you know exactly what you have selected. So let's increase the smoothness, let's expand the range a little bit more, so we have the entire leaf selected. And now we can work on this. So let's brighten a little bit up, saturate a little bit up, and let's see, try to make more greenish to create more drama. Yeah, this is a little bit of warm green. Now if I untick this, then we can see the difference. This is before, how dull it is, and this is after, how pops out it is. So we're done with this part, and now let's do the similar thing with this color, and let's just brighten up a bit and give a bit of saturation. Now this saturation is not working, so let's just brighten up a bit. That's it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one empty layer, go back to the exposure tab, take a radial selection and select this part, only the main hero. Now what I'm going to do, just to give little bit of pop to this area, I'm going to increase shadow a bit, reduce highlight a little bit and give quite bit of structure and lift up a midtone a bit and increase saturation just a bit. That's it. You can see here before, after. So it gives a subtle but beautiful pop to the image. Now let's go back to this color editor again and we will go to background layer on our main file. Now this time select the red color, select this option, so here as you can see, along with the red, this part is also selected. So what we can do, we can remove this part and keep our selection limited to red only, like that. Now it is up to you, you want to uncheck and work along with the image or keep it checked and work only on the part. So I'm going to keep it along with the image so we know how it complements the overall image. So let's brighten up a bit, saturate a bit and let's see if we can make it more reddish. There it is. Have a look at it. From dull looking. So this tool I find it very effective when if you occur any color cast and you want to remove any color cast, it's very useful. Let's see, let's leave it as short only, it's not making any difference. So let's see how far we have reached. This is before and this is after. I think this is pretty much it. It's a very simple edit because it was shot very right, good lit, good composition, not much of tricks. Maybe what I can do further is just go to one more adjustment layer, take a circle and select this part and give a bit of structure all the way up, and we'll do same one more. New fill layer, select this part and give structure all the way up. So just enhancing a bit. If I zoom in, you will see what I mean. This is before, just it brings out the details. There it is. It brings out detail in the ingredients. That's it. So that's it. This is pretty much it. Maybe we'll go to the background and lift up overall midtones. That's it. And here just expand the range a little bit, and I will increase shadow just to enhance. That's it. So it just brings out the main ingredients and the hero. So let's review in the full screen. I think this is pretty much done. I don't see any further need to edit this picture. Very simple, very clean. So let's stop that here and we'll just give a bit of vignette, and there it is. So that's it guys, this is done for this video. So this is before we begin and this is after. So we have enhanced the hero and we have enhanced the main styling complementing subjects and just little bit of tweaks in the color. So sometimes with very little edits like this you can achieve wonderful results. So I hope you really like this video, and if you like me to create more content like this, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and give your feedback in the comment section below. How did you like this edit? This is Tulshiinaik signing out until I meet you again.